Hey everyone, Rhonda Robson with Rhonda's Tri-RRR-tistry. Today we're going to take these paint skin discs that I made in the last video and we're going to glue it to the bottom of these glasses. It's my step number 3 in my wine glass process and we're going to do that right now. So let's get started.
Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, like I said in the intro, I'm going to show you how I glue my discs that I've created from my Bloom paint skins. And I need to glue these down to my glasses to create this amazing, beautiful piece of art from when you're sipping or when it's on the table. So I'm going to show you how I do that. And I use Liquitex Medium gloss. This is really nice. I've used Diamond Glaze and I've used Gorilla Glue and I've used other things, but this is really nice because I just brush it on here or I brush it on the glass and then I'm able to, here's one right now that's been done. It's waiting to be resined. And then I push my finger down and I make sure all the air bubbles are out. This tends to work better than some of the other ones. The other ones it allows the paint to come up. It dries really quickly so that the paint skin stays stuck down. So that's the reason why I tend to use this. Well, let me get you down. Let me show you exactly how I take these to make these. All right, bye for now. Bye.
Okay, I'm back. So we're going to take these paint discs for these 4 glasses and we are going to glue them to the bottom of the glasses using the Liquitex Gloss Medium. Now I use that instead of glue because it works just really nice and I have it around for my other projects. So what the first thing you're going to do is you're going to decide which side that you want to see from the bottom. And then what I mean by the bottom is when you're looking down on the glass. So once you've done that, you can kind of see me. I'm taking just a really light amount and I put it on the bottom there. And then I put it between my 2 fingers, center it that way. And then I press down in the center and I move my finger around in a circle, pressing the air bubbles and the glue to the sides. And that way it gets all the air bubbles out and it gets the glue completely spread across the glass. And there it is. Looks great. All right. So the next thing, I'm going to do the exact same thing with this one. I'm going to decide which side I want to have the paint disc on. So do I want the dark pink or do I want it to be a little bit more subdued? I really think that fluorescent pink looks really nice coming up there, so that's what I'm going to use. As you're looking down on the glass, that's the side you're going to lightly paint the glue or the Liquitex Medium that I'm using. So I just use a brush and I lightly paint across it. And it's not really painting, but you know what I mean. I'm just spreading it on there. And then you're going to take it between your 2 fingers and center it. And so I center it with those 2 fingers, and then I also a lot of times center it with my other 2 fingers just to make sure. Press down in the center and move the glue and the air bubbles to the edges, right? And just make sure that it all gets nice and flat. You don't want any air bubbles in there, and if you need to move it around you can, but there it is. Looks really nice. All right, so we're going to do it again for these next 2. Same thing. You decide which side that you want to face from the top, right? So whichever side you're going to want facing to the top when you have the glass sitting down with wine in it, then that is what you're going to put the Liquitex Medium on, or you can put it on the glass, it doesn't matter. And then you're going to take it between your 2 fingers again, center it in the bottom of the glass, press down and circle out. Now, why do I press down in the center? Because there is an indent in that center. All right, here's the last time. I'm going to figure out which side that I want. I'm going to put just a little light coat of that Liquitex Medium on there, and then I'm going to center it again with my 2 fingers. 2 fingers of the other direction too as well, and then press down in the center and circle all the way out. And then all 4 of them done are ready to go to be resin, and the resin is in the next video. So next week you'll see how I resin them. Okay, and there's all 4 of them. I absolutely love these. Thanks for joining me today. We'll see you in the next video. Bye for now. Bye. Thanks for joining me today, and if you're new to my channel, please consider subscribing and clicking that notification bell. And if you like this video, I bet you're gonna like these as well. Thanks a lot and have a great day. Bye! Bye!